And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to auto translate or dub your reel with Meta AI if it's available. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, first of all, open your Instagram app. Once you have opened your Instagram, you need to simply go and tap on the reel section. Once you tap on it, you need to try something to simply upload it. So once you've selected something to be uploaded, you can simply select that particular photo or like reel and hit the next button. After this, once you scroll down below, you can find this option called more. So once you tap on the more section, like simply scroll down and tap the more option section, you can find the option called translate voices with Meta AI. Simply turn the toggle to the right hand side and tap on allow translations. Now, as you can see, this particular feature is not available for reels with multiple audio tracks. You need to simply do the OK button, and once you're done, you will be able to simply enable the auto translate option in your Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.